Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to the channel. So friends, in the previous video we see the second video that is related to Lewis India preparation video for the round 1, and as we know that Lewis India is higher for 2022 batch for the two different role, and as in the previous video we discussed the registration process and what are the some registration step that is given. So this video is basically third number video and part third video in which we discussed the 5 point that is very important related to round 1 preparation. What are the some round 1 full preparation materials, complete syllabus of data structures and algorithm. As we know that for the two different role the round 1 is same, and the questions or the programming questions or MCQ questions are asked related to data structures and algorithm, and what are the some programming questions plus MCQ, and how to crack round first, because round 1 is the initial step or the first round that is related to Lewis India exam, and what are the best website and platform for practice related to round 1. So in the video all of your doubts were solved related to round 1 and round 1 complete information with syllabus. So let's start the video. In the previous video we see the new deadline update in contest, what are the number of rounds overview, all over complete information in the second video. Check from the description, okay, or if you not registered yet, check the first video are also in the description. Okay, so what are the we discussed related to round 1 full preparation material. As we know that the round 1 format is data structures and algorithms. Okay, so on the website they only mention that there are the questions, there are the two programming question, and what is the duration, 2 hours and 30 minutes, and there is 10 MCQ. Okay, so this is the round 1 format, and this is same for the two different role for the associate associate software engineer or data analyst post. Okay, so actually many candidates ask that what are the syllabus that are comes under this, and what are the complete syllabus that comes under the data structures and algorithm. For that I just take my university syllabus because it is very sufficient, because in the syllabus data structures and algorithm different syllabus they cover most of the topic. You can also check your university syllabus, and there are so many websites that they also provide the different syllabus pattern, but we have not so much time for completing all the syllabus. At that time we have to focus on the main sections or the main syllabus point. Okay, so if I talk about the complete syllabus of data structure, so you can see that from starting to ending this is the complete syllabus of data structure. What is the introduction to data structure, what is data and information, abstract data type, what are the different implementation, what are the linear data structure like array, linked list, representation of linked list in memory. If I talk about stacks, so multiple stack, queue as ADT, different implementation of queue, conversion, postfix and prefix. Okay, that is related to other data structure also like non-linear data structure tree. What are the height, depth, order, binary search tree, AVL tree, heap, application, B tree, B plus tree, B star tree, red black tree. And next data structure is related to graph. What are the classification of graph, depth first search, breadth first search, graph algorithm like MST, minimum spanning tree, Kruskal, Prism, Dijkastra algorithm. These are the most important algorithm that is related in the graph. That is another concept like sorting, bubble sort, quick sort, selection sort, heap sort. So according to your university there are so many syllabus or there are the so many patterns that they follow the different university, but in that you can see the most of the topics are covered in that, and you have to prepare this topic well, because as we know that the round 1 format is 2 programming question and 10 MCQ, and the duration is 2 hours 30 minutes. Okay, If I talk about the algorithm section, so what are the some algorithms techniques that are used, like binary search, merge sort, quick sort, extraction, matrix multiplication, greedy algorithm, dynamic programming like multi-stage graph, fluid Warshall algorithm, backtracking concept like 8 queen problem, Hamilton cycle, coloring problem, branch and bound method, binary search tree, height balance tree. So these are the syllabus that is related to algorithm, and these are the syllabus that is related to data structure. So the most important point is that syllabus is more. Okay, as we know that there are two section or the combined section, as we know that data structure and algorithm, and syllabus is more and the preparation time is very less because exam is scheduled on June 12 and the today is 21st May. Okay, so if you want the videos on preparation, specific videos on preparation for the round 1 and round 2, you can ask, drop your comment in the comment section, and as we soon start the preparation that is related to round 1. Okay, so DS and Algo, we have to complete DS and Algo. As we know that you are third year student. If I talk about the 2022 batch, so most of the students are completing the data structures and algorithm section, and if you not complete the data structures and algorithm section yet, okay, so go through that and complete the following topics because it is very important in other exam also. So if I talk about the DS, okay, so just prepare the following topics like what are the some concept, array, stack and tree, graph, understand that, sorting, searching, these are the important concept. If I talk about algorithm section, so what is backtracking, dynamic programming, greedy algorithm. Okay, so these are the some concept that is related to important. Okay, so this is the complete syllabus of data structures and algorithm. If you want, if you think that there are some topics that is missed in that syllabus, so you can add also those topic and also comment in the comment section. Okay, so if I talk about the programming question plus MCQ, so what is the best website and platform for practice? If I talk about the MCQ, if you just go through the MCQ section, so this is the website called the Sand Foundry, and there are 1000 plus MCQ series on the data structures. Okay, so you can see that there are topics that is on the abstract data type, application of stack, array types. You can see the many array types, type of list, binary tree, B tree, trees, heap, tree, hash table, graph. Okay, so these are the some important topic that is related. Okay, so you can just open that, like if you solve the particular questions of MCQ, so you can see that there are so many questions, and for that there is algorithm section also. So what are the some MCQs on searching, sorting, okay, string max, number theory. You can see the various algorithm that is given, and that computational theory, graph search, minimum spanning tree, shortest path matching, graph coloring, okay, recursion, so greedy algorithm, backtracking, dynamic programming. Okay, so you can, if you can just prepare the following set of dynamic programming, so there are lot of questions in that website. Okay, so Sand Foundry website is very best. If I talk about the Geeks for Geeks website, also Geeks for Geeks website is also good. You can check the following quiz on data structures, and there are so many algorithm also. Okay, so you can see that if I just take the dynamic programming, so you can check the following concept also and solve the particular questions from that website. Okay, so these are the some important website that are very helpful in preparing your MCQ section. If I talk about a primary, if I talk about the programming section, so there are the two programming question, and the package is 19 LPS, so definitely the level is moderate plus the level is a medium plus high. I think the level is not easy in that round 1. Okay, so if I talk about the HackerRank and HackerEarth platform, so on the both platform and also other platform you can practice like CodeChef and the LeetCode platform. Okay, if I talk about the HackerRank and HackerEarth, there are the two section that is given in the algorithms and data structure. Okay, so if I just take the algorithm section, okay, so you can see the very different number of questions that is given in that, and there are the some domains like string, sorting, search, graph theory. If I talk about the dynamic programming section, so these are the coin change problem. You can see that. Okay, So these are the some section that is very important. Okay, so you can choose the difficulty level easy, medium, hard. So this type of problems you can solve on that platform. Okay, so there is two section, algorithm and data structure. Just practice that session in the following particular languages, because in the Lewis India hiring hackathon, many of the languages are that present, that like Java, C++, Python. Okay, so you can see the different section. If I talk about the Hacker Earth platform, so on the Hacker Earth platform there are the so many questions that is related to algorithm, also graphs and string and dynamic programming. Okay, so you can see the different questions on that platform. Okay, so you can also practice on the CodeChef platform and the LeetCode platform. It is a very convenience to all of you, and this two platform is good as if you are starting from that. Okay, so these are the two important platform, and you can choose the questions that you have, and you have to solve the maximum question. And if you want a preparation video, you can drop your comment in the comment section. Okay, so this is the following particular section that is very important. Okay, so two-part Enneagram, programming question and MCQ. Okay, so programming best platform for practice, HackerRank, Hacker Earth, CodeChef, LeetCode. Okay, how to practice many question. If I talk about the how to practice many questions, so days are less days are remaining, and so you have to prepare from starting. And if you want not to prepare from starting, just solve the questions of data structures and algorithm, because the two programming questions are present, and the package is more, so the difficulty level is hard or the medium. Okay, so if I talk about the MCQ section, best website for practice like Sand Foundry, Gigs for Gigs, Java T Point website is also good. 10 MCQ, because the exam contain the mix-up combination of MCQ, like the 5 MCQs are from the data structures or the 5 MCQs from the algorithms. Okay, if I talk about how to crack first round of Lewis India challenge, for that you have to practice the maximum coding question, and you have to solve the maximum number of MCQs. Okay, because we don't know the different previous pattern is the different. Okay, so the new pattern is very different from the previous pattern, because on the previous pattern there are the hiring challenges, hackathon challenges, you have to submit your presentation idea, but at that time there is another concept. Okay, so for that you have to practice maximum number of MCQs and maximum number of coding questions. Okay, so if you want some separate preparation video, you can ask, drop your query, drop your comment in the comment section. Okay, and I hope this video is useful for everyone. If you are from 2022 batch, just register for that challenge. This is very good challenge, and CTC is also, and there is no percentage criteria. I hope this video is useful. If you have any doubt, you can drop your query in the comment section. Thanks for watching the video.